Linking a Google Docs account to Fireflies AI is a straightforward process that can be useful for online businesses, particularly for automating sales team tasks. By connecting Google Docs to Fireflies AI, transcripts and summaries can be sent directly to a Google Doc, making it easy to share with team members. To initiate the connection, start by logging into the Fireflies AI account and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on Integrations on the left side. Then type Doc in the search bar, which should prompt the appearance of the Google Docs logo. Clicking on the logo provides more information about connecting Google Docs, including the ability to automatically push meeting notes and summaries to a Google Doc in the Drive. To proceed, click the purple Connect button. Then choose the Google account to connect to the Fireflies AI account. A warning from Google will appear, indicating that Fireflies will have access to certain information. Click Continue to proceed. After a brief moment, the page will refresh, and the Google Docs integration will be active. However, it is necessary to select the folder where the summaries should be stored. By default, the summaries will be sent to the default drive, but this can be changed by clicking the down menu and selecting the desired folder. With the Google Docs integration active, meetings with Fireflies AI will automatically generate summaries that appear in the chosen folder. To test the integration, sample data can be inserted in a test run. The connection between Google Docs and Fireflies AI is now established, allowing for seamless sharing of meeting transcripts and summaries with team members.